Today we are going to walk through a series of simple yet effective steps to resolve the error message indicating that something went wrong because PowerPoint is unstable. This guide will help you navigate through your PowerPoint settings to turn off a particular feature that may be causing the issue. Let's begin by launching the PowerPoint application on your computer. Once you open the program, you will need to locate the presentation that you have been working on or intend to work on. Finding the correct file is essential so that any settings changes you make apply directly to the presentation you are currently using. After opening your desired presentation, the next step is to look towards the top of your screen where you will see several menu options. Identify the section labeled File and click on it. This action will reveal a variety of options and menus that allow you to adjust the settings of your program. At this point, continue by selecting the Options menu. The Options area is where you have control over many of the features and settings that determine how PowerPoint operates. Within the Options window, search for an item named Trust Center. Trust Center is the hub for various security and protection settings within PowerPoint, ensuring that your presentation content is both secure and functional. Once you have located the Trust Center, click to open it and find the Trust Center options. This new screen provides a deeper look into the security settings that could be impacting the performance of your presentation. Within Trust Center options, focus on the section called Protected View. Protected View is designed as a security measure to help prevent potentially unsafe files from running harmful code, but sometimes it may trigger problems with your presentation. To improve stability, it is recommended to turn off certain features in this area. Look for any checkboxes that are enabled and uncheck all of them. By unchecking these boxes, you are instructing PowerPoint to disable the protected view settings that might interfere with the proper functioning of your presentation. Finally, after you have unselected all the boxes in protected view, it is important to finalize the changes you have made by confirming your selections. Do this by clicking on OK 2 times. The first click applies the changes within the Trust Center options window, and the second click confirms the settings change in the options window. These confirmations ensure that your new configuration is saved successfully, allowing you to proceed with your work without encountering the instability error message. This methodical approach should help eliminate the PowerPoint error and allow your presentation to run more smoothly. Following these steps carefully will ensure that you have addressed the security settings that can cause certain instability issues. With this guide, you now have a clearer understanding of the process which can be applied whenever you face similar technical challenges in PowerPoint. Enjoy a more stable and productive experience with your presentations.